Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Groovy bot in Discord. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to Discord's official website. Then, log into your Discord account by entering your email and password. After that, go to the Discord homepage. Over here, click on the server where you want to add the Groovy bot. Then click on the app directory button. Over here, use the search bar and type Groovy. After that, click on Groovy from the search results. Then click on the add app button. Over here, select the server where you want to add the bot. Then click on add to server. After that, review the permissions and click continue. Then complete the CAPTCHA verification. After that, click on the authorize button. So that's basically how you can add GroovyBot in Discord. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.